Metamask blockchain wallet. Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how to work Metamask blockchain wallet. So it's a blockchain wallet. You can work or you can trade any blockchain account or any blockchain app, and then you can transfer the money here. So it's really simple. So how can you download and install this in your device? So simply click here install. So once you click install, so it takes a few moments to install in your device. So you can get this app from your Google Play Store and App Store. So it's really easy to download in your device. And here are some feature like how it works. If you go to about this app, then you can see a secure wallet and gateway to blockchain site. Whether you are an experienced user or brand new to blockchain, Metamask helps you connect to the decentralized web, a new internet. So it's really a short tutorial for you. So today is no more friend, and thank you for watching.